folks, I have a really cool little banjo for you today. This is number 805. And the main wood is some beautiful oak that I have from the Carpenter Ant stash. And it was really cool to mix and match some different oak boards that look really good together. And it's got two little cherry stripes down the neck, which look really cool. Cherry heel cap, cherry around the rim here as well. And up here. And then a beautiful pistachio fretboard that has all the graphs and weirdness and stuff. They're really cool. So it's like the three woods all look a little different, but they blend into the same palette. It's really kind of nice. Yeah, and then it's tuned with my lower pitch strings. And we have it right now tuned to open A, which is where I prefer this little banjo with these strings. It's my favorite. It's kind of like if you had your big banjo capoed at the 2nd fret. Yeah, and then a little Renaissance head and armrest for comfort. And yeah, it's really fun. Yeah, it's cool. And I think oak is nice. It's got like this dusty richness to it that I really appreciate. It's different than walnut or maple. And yeah, it's like readily available, domestic wood, looks cool. Maybe out of fashion in people's kitchens right now, but works good for our banjos.